What's up, guys? Died In Fortnite here, back with another YouTube video. And today we're going to be playing some more Fortnite. Heck yeah, we're playing some Fortnite. Shh, guys, playing. Okay, so let's hop straight into the game. Lego. Now today we're not going to be playing on Playground. Do y'all think I should play on solo or squad? And we have our cameraman Mackenzie here. So Mackenzie, solo or squad? We're gonna play on.
I want to see what squad is.
We're gonna do battle royale, guys. Battle royale. Battle royale. I have such an amazing voice. And yeah, guys, I'm so new. Because I don't have any V-Bucks. Okay. So, we're going to go to the locker. The locker. Okay, guys, so we're going to see my emote. Career. Wait, V-Bucks. Okay, guys, so cheap. Guys, we're gonna play squad. Okay, let's hop into the game, guys. So remember the bonus? Y'all can get a discount on my merch if we hit 100 subscribers by this year. We can get a bonus. You can get a bonus. You can get a discount. You can win $100. You can win $100, guys. I could do like 10 videos a day. Remember, guys. Remember that bonus. Okay. Yeah, battle royale. Oh my god. Okay. So the point of Fortnite is you gotta try to be the longest on
It's starting to
the thing.
Bright.
Okay, so, yeah, my best, oh my god, guys, do you see this guy? Earth Dragon, I hope he's on, oh, yes, Earth Dragon is on my team, guys, that guy is so cool. Earth Dragon is the coolest guy I've ever seen. Can drop soon. Drop 5 zone, okay, where do I want to go? Okay, guys, so we're hopping straight in. Looks like, I'm gonna land in this. Okay, so, where should I land?
You should land in the water.
Why? I can't dive. That's in play. Okay, guys. So I'm trying to see where I can land. Looks like. Oh my god, guys! I see a chest. Woo! Oh my god, there's 2 chests. I'm so lucky. Guys, this is what lucky gets you. 2 freaking chests. Yes! And sorry for the bad language. Okay, so I know I didn't see that other one. Okay, so where is it?
I saw it like landed.
Okay, so let me see this. Okay, so guys, I think it's up here. This little thing. No. Where the heck is it?
Wait, hold on. Wait, I saw something. No, that's a trash can.
Okay, guys. So I think in this video, I'm gonna build a base.
What's a base? I smell something.
Okay, so guys, we're gonna need a lot of wood, and I found the perfect tree. Oh, jeez. I'm not even in here. Okay, so, I have 2 minutes, gosh. Okay, so, we have apple, wheat, and we got Earth Dragon's dead, guys. Earth Dragon is dead. I will be the only one if... Okay, guys, I'm the only one. I'm the only one left on my team. I gotta win this, guys. I gotta win it. Woo! Okay, so... Okay. Gotta head this way. Okay, so... I don't have that many weapons. Like last time, I got a lot of cool. I got nothing. Oh my god, guys! Did you see how many wood I got? How much wood I got? Okay, so I know I'm not supposed to be hitting that storm. I get that, but I really need to see what's in here because I don't have that much loot. Oh yeah! Heck yeah! You that song.
That's how confusing.
Okay, guys, so my cameraman is trying to make sure that y'all can see pretty good. If y'all... Okay, so make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, guys. You don't want to see anything like this on any other channel. And guys, I think I should kill... Y'all think I should kill this person?
Yes. Oh, I'm wanting you to get up there.
Okay, guys. So my cousins, they taught me how to play Fortnite, and my first try was pretty good. My best place is 6th place, guys. I got the minigun. I had the scar. I was all beast moding it, guys, until somebody killed me. Oh, yeah. Okay, guys. So, oh, yeah. Let's get it. Whoa.
Oh.
You see this right here, guys?
Yeah.
How am I supposed to get across this?
I know.
Ooh. I'm gonna take this ammo. I'm gonna destroy this tent. Okay. So there's nothing good.
Why do you want to steal the tent?
I don't want to steal it. I can't steal it. Everyone knew who I'm talking to. My friend's brother is in here. Wait, Jonathan? G-E? Jonathan? Oh my god. If that was Jonathan B, my cousins would be... Okay guys, my cousins, they're Johnny B. So if y'all see any, a name like that, please let me know, say in the comments, because, guys, that's my cousins.
Look. Yeah. That one died.
Okay, guys, y'all saw I almost died, guys. I almost died there. Okay, so I'm running away to make sure that she doesn't get me. Because, guys, that was scary right there. I was afraid that I might die. Because there's only 32 people left.
If you did that, I'll be super mad at you. Everything is funny.
Okay, guys, I'm trying to focus here. So, yeah, I climbed this mountain to get a better vantage point. Okay, so guys, I'm trying to get the best I can to kill these people. What the heck is that? Is that a gun dog?
That's a chicken.
No!
I'm mad.
Oh, dude, I died. Dude. What the heck? Dude, it's drift. It's drift.
It's drift.
Guys, did y'all see that? What the heck happened?
Yeah.
Go.
Ow.
Okay, so I know I did pretty bad this time. But that was kind of hard, guys, if you didn't know. So I'm going to play for a few more minutes at that. Okay, so guys, I'm going to end the video here. Hope y'all like and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell to get in. Click that box to get my notifications. See y'all next time. Goodbye.